Welcome back to this week's edition of Modern Tech and Transformation. I'm Carla Hartman, and this week I have with me Director at Resolve Tech Solutions, Sunil Samuel. This is part one of a two-part series on AI in action. So Sunil is going to speak to us about intelligent field operations, a project he has been working on very closely over the past few months. So welcome, Sunil.
Thank you.
And for the audience, could you tell them a little bit about your background and yourself?
Absolutely. Again, my name is Sunil Samuel. I've been in the managed and cloud industry for a little over 20 years now, specifically with RTS about 2 years. And my focus has been mainly on the partner alliance, business development role. At the same time, our focus has been mainly on moving the clients from a legacy system mindset into a digital enterprise, leveraging the cloud concepts, and also kind of putting that into a managed services framework. So
Okay, great.
Glad to be here.
Excited to have you.
Thank you.
So AI, we all have probably touched generative AI at this point. If you have not, I highly suggest going to Bard or ChatGPT or DALL-E, any of the generative AI platforms, and utilizing it. But what I think is really incredible about this project is it takes multiple components of AI, and Sunil has been working on a project that has created an AI solution for the telecommunications industry, and we are calling that intelligent field operations. So Sunil, tell me what intelligent field operations is.
Well, over the, I would say, past 2 years, we have invested significant time and energy into the AI ML technologies. Basically, the first step was we introduced that into our core managed services offering. Since we have a managed service delivery organization, we kind of applied there. This endeavor resulted in a creation of our Juno Intelligent Management Platform, looking at it from an observability standpoint, looking at it from an anomaly detection, looking at it from an automation perspective. Now, the vision for Juno Labs, so on that platform, we created something called Juno Labs. The goal was basically to add more AI ML assets into the library. So the vision for Juno Labs is to accelerate the adoption of AI ML technologies in transforming our customers' existing business processes, right? So this is with an exclusive relationship with one of the cloud providers. We're actively working on integrating the Juno Labs with the cloud provider's generative AI in providing a solution for our end client, and basically focused on business outcomes. So during our discovery sessions with the cloud provider, a critical challenge surfaced around the field tech operations. This is within the telecom domain. And the query revolved around a comprehensive solution for telecom clients to address some of the challenges that they're dealing with in the field operations. It encompasses different aspects. Operating expense. A truck is rolling out. Every time a truck rolls out, X dollars goes out of the pocket. How can we minimize those truck rolls and fix those issues in a timely manner the first time they're out there? When it comes to field tech utilization, when it comes to predicting the customer demand versus the load, reducing the incidents when it comes to unforeseen technical faults, optimizing the route plan. So these were all the different set of challenges that the telecom client was facing. So those were brought to our attention. So that is how this journey started.
Okay, yes, I did hear a stat that every time a technician goes out to someone's home to say, look at a Wi-Fi router, it costs $300.
Yes.
So if they don't get it right the first time, that can easily compound into
Absolutely.
a large loss. So very interesting stuff. So let's dive a little bit more into the how. I know we're going to have a part two that deals with some of the technical aspects, but how are we utilizing AI to do some of this intelligent field operations?
So with the cloud provider, while we were going through this particular exercise, the exploration, these challenges were brought to to the forefront. And to tackle these challenges, we harnessed the power of artificial intelligence and generative AI that is within the cloud platform to offer solutions within this various facet. One was in question and answering. So AI was employed to respond to queries regarding technical issues, aiding field technicians in troubleshooting specific problems or utilizing the particular equipment. Image recognition is another format where AI played a crucial role in identifying objects and defects in images. So it kind of assists the technicians in diagnosing the issues and facilitating those repairs, right? The back-end fulfillment, that was another area when it comes to order fulfillment, was achieved through AI, allowing technicians to basically redirect their focus on more critical activities. Geospatial routing, this is leveraging the Maps platform. We were able to efficiently devise routes for technicians, resulting in time and cost savings. One other area was in the appointment scheduling. This was one of the areas where they were struggling quite a bit. So what we did was we leveraged AI to streamline the appointment scheduling process for technicians, ensuring optimal utilization of their time and enhanced customer service. So, but behind the scenes, under the hood, there are multiple native technologies that we leverage from a cloud platform perspective. One was with cloud vision for image recognition and classification, Vertex AI for management of the ML models and data labeling, and speech to text, basically to convert the audio to text, route planning, that's leveraging the Maps platform when it comes to directions API, geocoding, geolocation, distance matrix, vision product search, data flow, looker. These are all the different components that are inherent or native to the cloud platform that we were able to leverage to showcase the solution.
So picking the right cloud platform really can give a competitive advantage.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. And then from a value proposition, so we're talking about the telco team, right? What efficiencies does this create? I'm a marketing person. I'm all about value propositions. So we already kind of discussed cost savings. Less trips means more cost savings. What other value propositions does a AI solution like this have?
So in addition to cost savings, a couple other areas that we can look at is the enhanced customer experience. Inventory management, when it comes to the truck level inventories, right? How can we minimize waste there? When it comes to, from a training perspective, speed to market, right? When it comes to the technician knowledge, having those manuals specifically related to those particular devices that they're troubleshooting, having that at their fingertips absolutely provides tremendous value to where they don't have to depend on somebody from behind. Instead, they have the manual in front of them, they're able to go through that. But it has to be provided, the value has to be provided in a certain context, and that's where the streamlining comes into play.
No, this is really exciting. Can't wait to see this product in action. So let's talk about just hearing what you've said and the value propositions and how it's modeled. What are some other industry verticals that this could also apply to for field tech operations?
So I can see this played out in the insurance claim when it comes to field technicians going out. I can see this played out in the utility sector, be it in the energy sector. I can see there are multiple areas where we can leverage this particular technology. Now, keep in mind, it may have to be fine-tuned to their specific needs, because every industry, it varies accordingly, right?
Yeah.
But the overall concept of intelligent field tech operations can be applied across multiple areas.
Absolutely. I can really see how utilizing like IoT functionality with the computer vision and the inventory and the training, just putting all those things together, extremely powerful.
Absolutely.
So this is really exciting stuff. Thank you, Sunil, for being with us today. I really appreciate you giving us a high-level overview of the project you've been working on, and we hope you'll be back on the podcast again soon.
Thank you again, Carla, for your time, and appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you.